Well, good afternoon, tax dodgers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Motorcycling with the Fat Boy. I am the Fat Boy, and as you can see, we're back out in Darky's shed today. I've got a few hints and tips for you for fitting up a slip-on, a Wirus Win, or in fact, any slip-on. Hang in there.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome back, tax dodgers. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment, do all the stuff. The Fat Boy likes that stuff. Lets me know that I'm on the right track. Anyway, back to the Wirus Win. You might recall I fitted that. Absolutely beautiful. Just got a couple of little hints and tips for you. I've been out here tinkering today, and this little heat shield here didn't quite look right. So I loosened it off with the Allen heads. There's a bolt there, there's a bolt there, and there's a little bit of movement within those two spots to get a bit of wiggle room into that shield. So you can actually get that lined up much nicer. The other thing that I've discovered, there's the baffle that come with the Wirus Win. There is what's supplied to fit the baffle. A dirty old hex head and a captive nut. Not good enough, Mr. Wirus Win, and I'm sure you're watching. Not good enough. Not for the Fat Boy's bike. Had a bit of a rat through the Fat Boy stuff, and I found a very nice little dome hex screw. I'm going to replace that with that and get a very nice finish on the outside of the pipe. And trust me, whether I run the baffle or not, I'm still going to run the screw, just so I don't have an open hole in the end of the cam. And I reckon that'll be much, much nicer. Anyway, just a short one today. Still to get out and run it with and without the baffle. I've started a couple of times and I'm just not sure what I think of the baffle yet. This baffle, it reduces the sound a little bit, but it also gives it an unusual sound too, to my book. So, I'll take it out, as I say, off the stand, outside, out of the shed, and on the bike and on the boil. We'll tell the story. But until then, I won't really know where I'm going to go. Anyway, just a couple of little hints and tips on the Fat Boys Z900RS. Hope you got something out of it. Drop back again as soon as you can. I think I'll have the sound test up with and without the baffle very, very soon. Thanks for tuning in. You're watching Motorcycling with the Fat Boy. I am the Fat Boy, and Darky will see you soon.